Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we learn how to change eye color in Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin. Select the layer and go to the Hue and Saturation. Change the hue value to 82. Select the mask. Go to Image menu, Adjustment, Invert, or press Ctrl and I. Select the brush tool. Make sure to change the hardness to 0% and select the soft round. Change the foreground to white color. Now use the brush to wipe the mask. Now you can change the color as you like from the Hue and Saturation. Just change the value for the Hue and Saturation. That's it. As you see, the result is perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can see a lot of tutorials. The link of the playlist in the description.